Rightway's vision is to make sure we're helping New Zealand businesses be more successful. Our people is where we start, and how we have freed up our team to make sure they've got as much time as possible to spend with customers, working with them on their businesses, their goals, their challenges in their business, and not stuck purely behind the desk. What we want to see is that we're successful through our customers. If they're successful, then we're successful. We've always been a cloud-based company, and that started with zero. So technology is integral to what we do for our customers, but also how we work internally to make sure we're delivering great service.
We have 83 staff across the Rightway team and 8 or 9 locations across the country. Flexibility is really important in our work environment. We have offices in most of the major cities, but we do have staff working from home. We have some staff working from some shared office environments as well.
So Ricoh's been involved with the direction of IT for Rightway since we've taken over as their preferred partner. It started from simple cloud migrations down to looking across the full environment. Rightway in the past had 7 different applications that the users were using for collaboration and file storage and communication, that was all available in the Microsoft portfolio, which we could then go and wrap security around all of it, so data security being a key component to Rightway.
The key drivers behind M365 was going into a more secure, stable, managed environment for all of our IT needs, and having somewhere where we can store our data in the cloud and have everyone have access to it.
To avoid negative impact on users, we started with POCs across the environment and across the different security features that we were implementing. As we were implementing them, we were using a test group. Those test groups then gave us feedback, which we could then adjust the approach to give them the best possible results.
For the marketing team and how we use 365, it's been really good, I think, from a collaboration part to start with. So we use Teams a lot through Teams channel and one-on-one direct chat. I'm actually based in Auckland and the rest are actually based in Wellington, so there's a geographical challenge there. So first of all, using video conferencing, calling, chat has been made that process really streamlined to communicate. Secondly, we've used things like Planner to manage our workflow and tasks and collaborate on what we need, whether that's marketing campaigns or projects, events, those sort of things. So we've got really clear overall visibility of the work we've got coming up. And the other aspect is around file sharing. So whether that's proofing a document, video, editorial piece, blogs, that sort of stuff, it's really easy for us to put a blog up into Word, share it via Teams, and then we can all collaborate on that one document. We don't have to save it down or anything. You can track those changes and the original document is always updated and then sits there in the file.
Most of our interactions are in person, online or over the phone. So the online tools we use are Microsoft Teams and Microsoft Outlook. It's positively impacted my work because we have everything in one place. There's only one login to remember, and it has all the functions that we need, such as email, chat and to-do lists.
It is having an impact on the way we communicate with our customers. We are setting up meetings so that we can be sharing our content with our clients. The ability for us to send them a link and they just join through their web browser. They don't have to download anything. It makes it really easy to just jump into a conference call, video share and content share.
I think the biggest thing is it's simplified it. We had a lot of different applications and there was a lot of crossover, so we're now in the one environment, whether it's an accountant catching up with their manager, so all our accounting managers are in Tauranga, so some of the team here in Auckland, they can jump on a chat really easily, and if they need to, they can have a video call, they can work on that document and quickly get that finalised and out to a customer. So just that collaboration on documents and stuff has really helped.
Utilising Microsoft Teams has been absolutely fantastic and it's had a really good pickup by all of our staff. We are seeing collaboration and less confusion with the amount of apps we've got. What I'm most proud of is the ease of which we implemented M365 to date. It pretty much went without a hitch, which was great.